Imagine owning a piece of digital real estate that generates passive income while you sleep. What if I told you that with the right approach, anyone can do this without ever purchasing physical property? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on how this all works and how there has never been a better time to turn digital real estate into a personal goldmine, and how you can get started. I still remember when I first stumbled upon the idea of digital real estate. No, it's not land or property in the traditional sense. Digital real estate is any online asset that can generate income, like YouTube channels, blogs, TikTok accounts, newsletters, and so much more. And trust me, once I realized the potential, I was all in. Now, let's get into the details. Over the past year, I've been testing and studying some incredible online business opportunities, and today I'm going to share a few that I've personally found success with. These aren't just theories, they work, and I truly believe they hold massive potential if you take them seriously, especially with the rapid evolution of AI. Let's start with the biggest platform out there, YouTube. You can create your own channel around virtually any niche, whether you're passionate about tech, fitness, travel, or even more niche interests like minimalism or urban gardening. And get this, it doesn't even have to feature you. That's right, faceless YouTube channels are blowing up. You can create content with stock footage, voiceovers, or AI animation, and still monetize just like any other creator. And hey, take it from me, I'm literally doing this right now right before your eyes. Pretty cool, right? Trust me, if I can pull this off, so can you. Now, I know what you were thinking. How do you actually make money from these digital assets? Let me break it down for you. With YouTube, once you hit the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning what's called ad revenue. But that's just the beginning. Sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling digital products or courses can turn a YouTube channel into a serious income stream. There are plenty of examples of this, including family channels, tech tutorials, and even faceless automated channels raking in the cash. If you are completely against YouTube or video, then you can look into investing into a blog, which is another powerful way to get into digital real estate. And while it may take time to build traffic, blogs, much like a monetized YouTube channel, can bring in revenue through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate links. I've personally seen blog posts generate passive income for years after they were published. Next on the list is TikTok. This platform has serious momentum right now. With millions of daily users, it's a prime place to share content and grow a following. With some of the recent algorithm updates and TikTok Shop for creators, it is a perfect place for affiliate marketing. I've personally seen people rake in thousands just by sharing valuable content and incorporating smart affiliate strategies for products that live right on the TikTok Shop. Last but certainly not least is creating a niche newsletter. It's a fantastic way to monetize the audience you're building through any other digital asset. For example, if you have a YouTube channel focused on gardening, you can add a call to action in all your videos, inviting viewers to join your email newsletter. In the newsletter, you can offer exclusive tips and insights they won't find anywhere else, adding even more value to your audience. You can build this targeted email list into the thousands, and the best part is that you own this list forever. There have been newsletter businesses that have sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, let me tell you why right now is the best time to get into digital real estate and the creator economy. AI has changed the game. Whether you're making YouTube videos, writing blog posts, or even designing a newsletter, artificial intelligence can help you produce high-quality content faster than ever. I've used AI tools to script videos, generate blog ideas, edit videos, and even automate parts of my newsletter. It's like having a team of virtual assistants working around the clock, so I can focus on scaling my online business rather than getting bogged down in the day-to-day tasks. Look, if you're not investing in digital real estate yet, you're missing out on one of the biggest opportunities of our time. Whether you start a YouTube channel, launch a blog, monetize a TikTok account, or build an email list, the options are endless, and the barriers to entry have never been lower, thanks to AI. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, because I'll be sharing the exact strategies that creators are using to turn digital assets into cash-flowing machines. Don't just consume content, own it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we dive even deeper into how to scale your digital empire. It's time to invest in the future, and that future is digital real estate.